Whoa, head shakes, no colour yet. And he just took off like a train. Oh. Welcome back, folks, to another episode of Don's Fishing Adventures. Due to last week's performance, we got that nice King George whiting, and because of the weather and other factors, we're out here again trying for the same stuff. As you can see before, I put some burley pellets already pre-soaked in the burley bucket. I put a weight in it, threw it overboard, whoa, and just wait for the fish to come in and aggregate, come in close, because I can see all the burley that attracts them. I don't usually like doing this, anchoring up and whatnot it is, but hey, you got to go for the flow. Stay tuned, see how we go. Right, so the rig I'm using today is called a Paternoster rig. You got your sink on the bottom. I've got a loop there tied to some line. A smallish hook, that will be for the King George bottom dwelling. And I got something just a bit more bigger, just in case there's anything that will go for this, maybe a skippy or even I don't think a snapper, but something else. So that's the way I like doing it. One small one on the bottom and one a bit large on the top. Throw it overboard, and if there's air, we've got to move. If not, back to who knows what. Okay, not bad. First fish for the day. Got to try and learn how to hold fish because I keep on dropping it. So that's a brown spotted wrasse, and he's got some real sharp teeth there. And he hangs around the weed and the reef, and he goes for little shrimps and fish and whatnot. Whoa! They are edible and they're quite nice, white flesh. A bit small. I'll throw this one back. When I get a big one, we might keep him. Sorry about the camera, but delayed coverage. I like this spot. That is massive. I'm not going to scream today. I'm just going to soak it up and enjoy it. That is what I've come out here for, and that is an absolute darling. I'm going to measure this. Let's have a look. Oh, 48 centimetre King George whiting, exactly what I was going for. Beautiful fish. I'm gonna do it. Woo! Got something else here. Okay, that's alright. Small kelpie, nothing worth bragging about. Okay, so something's here on the bigger rod. It's been playing around with two, and oh, got more head shakes. What have I got here? Oh, oh, this was my intended species. Oh, and he just came off. Oh, it was a skippy, and he just came off. Calm. It's alright. It's alright. What I want to do, I did move spot because it was very quiet, and I've gone on the other side of the reef. So I can see it dark and then it goes into white, so a bit of sand. And mate, this is good stuff. It happened so quick I didn't even get a chance to put the bloody camera on. Let's hope we can get on this one here. I think I want to get this one's got some curry. That is unexpected, but that's flathead. That's a beauty. That's a beauty. This kind of size flathead you get in New South Wales, my home state. I can't believe it. Oh, there you go. Nice. Nice, beautiful flathead. And they're good eating too. You got to be careful of the spines on the side, they give you a nasty sting. That's a nicey. I'm not fishing in very deep water at all. It's probably about 5 metres. I'm just casting out the edge of the reef. Big sand patch. A little bit of burley, not too much. I've got those 2 nice fish so far. This is, mate. Okay, I could have gone for snapper. Hit and miss, but this whoa, good and go. Whoa, yeah, this is good. Smoke. Oh, let it go, man. This is just beautiful. It's come up to the surface, and another King George. He almost came out a bit smaller. Oh man, this, I'm just absolutely stoked. I'm getting these King George. I didn't even intend to go for them. Look at that, another one. Can you really swallow that one? Alright. Bit smaller, he is size. Push him up. Oh yeah, it's 40 easy. Love it. Oh, got some curry. Snapper. Actually, that's not a snapper, that's a silver brim. Yeah. Yes, small one, but just beautiful. Come on. Just a beautiful fish. That silver brim. Beautiful. This feels good. Could be another kg. Yeah, here's a kg. Let's get this here. Whoa, here's a nice one. Yeah. Alright. How about that? That's how you do it, man. It's got another bite there. Looking at me. If he gets close, I'll give him my business card. Yeah, righto. Look, KG Whiting. Oh, and that roll. Get me snapper. There you go. Not as big as the other one, but mate, I love it. Beautiful fish, nice fish. Okay, good one here. Here's a KG because he just took the line. I never thought they'd just take it and run. He's on my lighter gear. Let's see. Okay. Oh, righto. Worth dragging about. It's a garnet. Righto. That's definitely a new species to me. It looks very similar to a flathead, and I know, well I don't know, but I'm sure this guy here is poisonous. So I've got to be very careful, just like a rock kind of fish. It almost looks like a flathead. So, if you can identify this on my channel, please let me know, because I wouldn't have a clue what kind of fish it is. Righto folks, it's time to say I better pack up, because the wind has just picked up and the boat's going all over the place. Even I'm on the anchor. See out here, it's starting to get choppy, and it's 3:30 in the afternoon, so I better call it quits. Fantastic time today, really. I come out here thinking, oh, I don't know what the hell I was going to do, but you know, fish like this, King George whiting, not just one, but I got 1, 3 of them, and a nice flathead. Really, I love it. Anyway, you know what to do if you like the show. Thanks very much. Like it, message me, whatever you want. Thanks very much. We'll see you next time. Right. And good or not, sharp. Careful. Drop. That's alright. I don't know if you saw it, hope the GoPro was working. It was a gummy shark. And he came off, wrapped around the line. Hey, I'm happy I didn't lose the camera, didn't lose the equipment. I better get out of here.